Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and if not then I'm sending you lots of love and light. Guys, this reading is going to be for Taurus collective. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading, so take only what resonates with you. Alright, so let's get started. Also, you can check out other signs like rising sign, moon sign, Venus signs, or if you feel drawn to any of the titles of a reading, please also go through those messages. Okay, let me just shuffle the cards. Guys, the cards are being very stiff right now. I think you guys are being stubborn on something. Let me just shuffle. Okay, so the first card is already here. It's Two of Pentacles. Next card, monthly reading for Taurus. King of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Page of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, the Moon, Ace of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. Alright, and the bottom of the deck we have Five of Pentacles. So guys, your overall energy is Five of Pentacles, which says about that you have a fear of rejection or loss, any kind of loss that you're feeling. You're mourning a loss, and this Chariot card at the bottom of the deck and the Lovers. So this says that there are emotions that you want to reach out to someone and you want to go towards someone, but there's still fear and some beliefs that are holding you back and keeping you in this energy. Okay, so the very first card is Two of Pentacles. You're being very confused, going back and forth, juggling a lot of things, possibly work and your healing and your emotions also. Okay, so I think it's very important that you choose, like you create a balance in that, not to give too much energy to one and just ignore the other thing. I think you're just trying to find that balance in within yourself, and then that starts reflecting outside yourself. Okay, crossing this situation is the King of Cups, so there's lot of emotions inside you, uh, that you feel for someone, or this card may also imply to lot of healing also, that you're healing. It may be about this fear of abandonment that you're healing right now. Okay, in your focus here is Page of Pentacles, starting fresh, starting fresh, taking new challenges and starting something new. This kind of energy is here, and also this card speaks about uh, making an offer to someone, taking this offer to someone, how to take it. Right now you're not feeling that much confident, that's why it's like you're still not ready, but you're thinking about taking that offer to someone. Of course, Ace of Pentacles, in your recent past, this speaks about brand new opportunity that came across you, and it could be in terms of career, finances, or it can also be in regards to love. Okay, and then in your strengths and weaknesses, I think this is coming as your strength only, because you feel like there's a lot of competition, but I think you also feel like you're confident enough and you have all those skills to take care of that competition. You can, it's like it's no big deal, you can take care of it. Okay, and then in your near future, Page of Wands, it's like new new inspirations, new creative ideas, expanding your horizons, you know, and creating new things, so being very inspired, taking inspired actions, taking uh, steps towards your passions also. This can also reflect to that. Right now you are in the energy of Nine of Pentacles, which is a wonderful energy. You're being single, you're being independent, you're taking care of yourself, you're enjoying the nature around you, possibly healing also. Okay, you're just enjoying that me time which is very good. And then here is the Moon card. This speaks about lots of fears that are holding you back, the things that you're keeping it hidden. Like there's a lot of competition, there's a lot of work that you're doing in your physical reality, but deep down I think it also speaks about the lots of emotions that you need to work on, that you need to do your healing also. Okay. And then in your hopes and fears is Ace of Cups. You're hoping to take that offer to someone. There's someone you feel like offering an, maybe an apology or maybe a proposal to someone, and bringing that balance also. So here Two of Pentacles also speaks about creating that balance. Maybe one aspect of your life is doing very good, such as career and all, but there's lots about your emotions where you feel like your life is very imbalanced. So you're thinking about creating that balance with somebody else. So that comes in your possible outcome also. Six of Pentacles, which speaks about creating that balance, equal give and take with someone. Okay. So overall it's a good energy, and I feel like you're healing, but you're also thinking about going towards someone which you feel like is your uh, soulmate, or your best companion, which you feel like is a person made just for you. Okay. And possibly this person is your wish fulfillment, but currently you're healing a lot, you're taking care of yourself, you're thinking about plans how to really go towards that. I think right now your focus is completely on yourself. Yes, you have this uh, project or maybe a proposal to somebody else, but currently you're working on your issues, hidden issues that are really bogging you down. Okay. So let me pull out one card for you, one oracle card, and then we'll see one more oracle card from the Moonology oracle deck and see what the moon has a message for you. Okay. So right now we're just taking a card from your angels or universe or whatever you call them. Okay, there is just one card I want to take out from this. Forgiveness. Yeah, you need to forgive yourself or forgive someone else also. See, this card also speaks about an apology that you need to take to someone else and offer them that apology, like about that apology, and speak your truth, be very honest. Also forgive yourself for any mistakes if you have done. It's very important to, lot of times we find it very hard to forgive ourselves and others, and especially ourselves, because we start being very self-critical at times. So it's very important, and communicate sincerely, honestly, about what happened and how you felt and what's the real truth. And I'm sure anything that comes out with lot of sincerity, I think it will always be appreciated. So do not worry. Okay, just work on healing yourself and releasing all the things that are bogging you down. And let me pull one card for you from the Moonology deck. Don't let don't let your past hold you back. That's what. If you think like any mistake happened in the past, or if any trauma that's holding you back, don't worry about that. It's all in the past. Okay, just forgive yourself, forgive others also for whatever happened, because if someone else has done anything wrong to you, just know that they were just playing a catalyst in your story, so that they've done exactly what they were supposed to do, so that you can grow and become a better person. Okay, so don't let anything hold you back, and look at the loopholes where it's really becoming a hindrance in your own growth. Okay, and let go of all those unhealthy attachments or limiting beliefs. Okay, so that's the guidance I have for you today. I hope this resonated. If it does, if it did, so then please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. So till then, take care.